call me? I didn't say we dey quarrel.
Them tell me say your ankle swell up. I say make I call to sympathize your unfortunate circumstance.
I no need any sympathizer.
Why you dey form a hard guy? You come World Cup to play ball. Person twist your ankle. World Cup wey you missed last time because of injury. Now person wan come spoil am for you again. You need sympathy. In short, you deserve sympathy.
I go slap you from here. Oh.
You watch my match against Poland.
I no need to watch una match.
So dem no put TV for you for your hospital bed.
Wetin dey worry you? Why they disturb me?
Na me go carry highest goal scorer and best player of the tournament.
You when I still the mentor?
You there dey deceive yourself. Na before you be my mentor. Na me suppose dey mentor you.
I no blame you. Na me do mistake teach you how to play ball.
Wetin you teach me sef?
No be only run you sabi run before. You wey dey run pass ball.
Your papa?
You no go ever sabi play ball pass me. Even if I no touch ball for 5 years.
You just dey provoke because you know say na me go still carry World Cup again.
World Cup wey they don write bra. You dey meant to put zeal for back.
If dem like, make dem write Brazil. Dem go still cancel and write France.
No worry. If you like win all your matches, na finals we go still meet. Na there you go know who be boss.
That injury wey you get, you go get am again. And na him go comot na for this World Cup.
God forbid. Na God go punish you. Were.
If you da bet for this World Cup and you know that use 1xbet, you da miss wetin dey at stake for their World Cup promo. iPhone 14 Pro dey at stake. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 dey at stake. Even Apple MacBook Pro and the plenty other go wey make sense. But the oga kpata of them all na the ogbonge prize wey be Bentley Bentayga Speed 2022. Omo, I never see. If you wan follow for their promo, make sure say you register with our promo code GNEXT. Then go press the take part button wey dey their World Cup promo page. Bet on top World Cup matches to take gather tickets. Na those tickets you go come use win better prizes and bonuses. Make sure say they always bet with sense and they read their terms and conditions before you start to the bet. Thank you.
Oga Sarri and Oga Lampard, una welcome.
Kobala.
Thank you, my boy.
As e be now, World Cup don dey hot well. Countries don dey show their true colors.
Them been not dey show their true color before.
I mean to say, the tournament don dey heat up.
By the way, from now till them come out, I no go dey call England again. Now it's coming home.
Meaning?
Not they do like say no what night that talk about.
Anyway, the World Cup go still reach house.
Well,
Momo.
Today, as things take be now, e be like say Mbappe don already carry highest goal scorer.
No talk that thing 2 times. Highest goal scorer go come out from England.
Why?
Because...
My brother, shut up. You no get why.
Sorry. Respect yourself, no dey shut up me.
And that Yoruba demon won't carry him.
If it's carry him now.
This na first World Cup,
And so, you know me now. As we get to play France now for quarterfinals, we go beat them. And Mbappe no go see in period. Saka only need 3 goals for him 3 remaining matches.
Now wow. The confidence way that take talk this timber, it be like say make I slap that nonsense come off for your head.
What?
Tele matches we no dey guaranteed.
It dey guaranteed.
Oga shalap.
See, sorry. I dey warn you. You not be my papa.
Abeg, make una calm down. Oga Lampard, Netherlands and Argentina go try knock theirself comot for quarterfinals. Wetin you dey predict?
No be Argentina wey this Momo talk say go come out for group stage. Although them dey play like say them dey shaky, Netherlands no go still fit beat them.
Idiot. You see wetin Denzel Washington firstborn do USA?
Oh my
But that same
God.
thing you go do Argentina.
That boy no dey related to Denzel Washington, no. One na US citizen, the other na Dutch.
You know mean? The father fit don't go play away match for Netherlands.
Jesus is
Last. Now this year match go finally kill you.
Oga Sarri, what of France and England?
It's coming home go finally go house with the fake cup with their fans they carry everywhere.
I don't tell you before, and I go still tell you again. That one no go happen. We get 3 more matches to play, and we go win all of them.
Make I ask you one question. How Marijuana and Co go take stop Mbappe?
Who be marijuana?
Na Maguire im mean, sir.
Oh my God.
Just the watch. You go see.
Make I tell you exactly what thing go happen. Look sure go look everywhere for pitch. Him no go find Mbappe. Are they sure about that one? Walk away sabi wrong go start the worker for pitch after Mbappe don't run him down finish. After the match, he go turn to night walker.
What?
John Stones go there like stone for that center back. Like John Bull when no go school. Maguire, all of us know. He go take Marijuana come match, score on goal.
Jesus.
Finally, Pickford go come pick 2 for first half. Pick another 2 for second half.
What?
Game over.
Chai!